Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tech Gurus. Today we're going to be learning how to log into Discord. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and let's get started. First, make sure that you have the Discord app installed on your phone. For that, you simply go to Play Store and on the search bar type Discord. Now if you haven't installed Discord yet, then you'll see the install button appear over here, and then you simply tap on install. After it has finished installing, you will come up with a similar interface to this, and you simply tap on the open button. Then you'll be led to Discord's landing page. So basically you have been given two options, either to register or log in. So if you tap on register, you will be creating a new account on Discord. However, since you've already created a new Discord account and you just want to log in, you tap on the login button. After that, you go ahead and enter your email or phone number with which you've registered your Discord account with. After that, you enter your password. If you do not remember your password, you simply tap on forgot your password or use a password manager. If you tap on forgot a password, you'll be led through different procedures to changing your Discord's password. However, if you tap on use a password manager, it will autofill your password if you have it saved on your mobile. After you've entered your password, you simply tap on the login button, and as you can see, I've been logged into my Discord account. And this is how you can also log into your Discord account, as easy as that. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.